Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a birthday cake. So I folded my paper in half so you can make it into a card. So first of all, I would use a pencil actually, and then you can rub out in case you make mistakes. But I'm going to use a pen so you can see what I'm drawing better. So I'm going to start with the flame at the top. Looks a bit like a tear really, doesn't it? And then we're going to need the little bit where you light it. And I'm going to start doing the candles. We've got the top of the candle there. Then we're going to have a little arched bit at the bottom. And then some lines coming down. There we go. And I'm going to start the cake. It's a bit hard, this one, because I want a bit swirly cream on the top. Because I think it looks cool then. So I want to do that. I'm going to do a swirl to there, and then another to there, around here, and there. Okay, I'm going to join this to there, maybe waving it there. Okay, right, next, this one, I'll just do the base of the cake. So I'm going to do a line there. I'm going to do one at the other side. Now, I'm not going to draw a straight line across. It's going to be slightly curved. So it looks better. It's a bit better perspective there. So now I need to draw the cake. I'm going to stop there. And there's the cake. And then we're going to have some lines like this. There we go. Now they need to connect to the bottom. So I'm just going to try my hardest to keep them same width apart. A little bit. I'm going to start coming in a little bit now. There we go. It's got to go level there. Tricky this bit. There we go. But as I say, you've used a pencil, you make mistakes, then you can rub out. So I think, shall I put a little bit to make that swirl a bit bigger? Maybe have one coming in here, like that. I think that might be enough. Maybe a little bit more in. There we go. I think that looks okay. So, I might put one there because the candle looks a little bit wobbly there. That's better. A bit better. So you could write on here happy birthday, or maybe put happy at the top and birthday at the bottom. So thank you very much for watching. Hope the person you make your card for likes it. I hope you enjoyed drawing it. If you'd like to send me your pictures, I'll put them on my Facebook page. You'll find all the details below. So thank you very much and hope to see you next time.